Hello friends, today we are working on derivational sort number 34. This sort looks at Latin roots man, which means hand, scrib or script, meaning to write, cred, meaning to believe, and fact, meaning to make. Let's go ahead and get started with our first Latin root. The Latin root man, again, means hand. Manual means to work by hand. When I look at the word manicure, I know that a manicure is taking care of the nails on your hands. So therefore, man makes sense there. When I look at the word maneuver, I know that to maneuver something means to move it by hand in a new way. So maneuver fits right underneath man. Looking at our next Latin root, scribe or script, I'll remember that scribe or script means to write. To transcribe, it means to write across, because you'll remember that trans means across from a previous sort. When we look at scribble, I know that to scribble something means that I am writing it in a very messy fashion. When I look at the word inscribe, I know that the prefix in means to put into something. So to inscribe something means to write inside of something. Often you'll see someone inscribe an heirloom like a watch or a ring. Looking at our third Latin root, cred, I'll remember that cred means to believe. If someone is credible, they are someone who is easily believable. If you find someone who is incredible, it means not believable, or it is really hard to believe. When looking at the word credence, I know again that cred or creed means believable. If you put a lot of credence in someone, you put a lot of belief into their abilities. Our last Latin root is fact. I know that fact means to make. A factory is a place that makes something. One of the most interesting words on our list this week is facsimile. Again, fact means to make. One of the most interesting words on our sort this week is facsimile. Again, fact means to make. Simile is similar. So a facsimile is something that makes something similar. Looking at the word facilitate, fact again means to make. When you facilitate something, you help make something easier for a group. Go ahead and sort the rest of your words. As you sort them, you'll probably notice that there are a couple words that could fit into more than one category. When you're done sorting, we'll talk about how each of those Latin roots help make the word mean what it does. How did you do? Were you able to pick out the two words that could fit into two categories each? The first word I noticed was manuscript. Man, again, means with your hands. Script means to write. So when you write in manuscript, you are writing with your hands. Typically, this refers to cursive handwriting. The other word that fits into two categories is manufacture. Again, man means hand. Fact means to make. When you manufacture something, you make something. As you sort your words this week, remember what each Latin root means and try to figure out exactly how the word gets its meaning from the Latin root.